look at here your governor na-eme na Anambra. O jidere akwa ọkụkọ as a person name ọgwụ ego wale yanwa chale nwa mgbafọ bịa ṅụọrọ anyị iyi na arụsị niile nọ n'ala Igbo na throughout his political career na ogbube mmadụ ya bịa ṅụọrọ anyị iyi na throughout his political whatever he has never done evil. Onye jidere n'ukwu ose asị na ya gbajiri ukwu ose. Ndị aja mmadụ aja na ga-etigbuchi unu one after the other. Okwere ndị niile a jidere ha n'Igbo na-agatakọ. Aja na must bring you below 6 feet. Aja na ga-eri isi gị. Now, the reason why nji wee weta akwụkwọ a ị na-anya amaghị ama ihe ahụ ihe unu kpọrọ Holy Bible. This thing has never done anything meaningful to an Igbo man. This thing in ahụ, it has never done anything meaningful to Igbo man. It's only bring Igbo man back west. Only make Igbo man to believe that there is another place better than this earth. Only people who are wise enough, only people who see beyond this book will tell you that nothing inside this book that is beneficial to human being. Because of this, akwụkwọ enwere ndị bịara kọrọ anyị akụkọ na akwụkwọ na ịkpọ ya ọkụ na ịgba ya ọkụ na ọ ga-enwu. Abịara nka m prove unu wrong. Now from today, anything ọbụla wụ ihe ụka ọ bụrụ na imecha na mmecha this live video that now you will desist from following this page, so be it. Now if ọjọọ dị njọ, this book has never done any good for Igbo man. It will only tell you how Israel walk in the middle of Red Sea. It will only tell you how if your enemy beat you, you should turn the other side for him to beat you again. Nothing good this book has ever done to benefit an African man, to benefit an Igbo man. It's only pray for your enemy. How do I pray for my enemy when my enemy is intimidating me? How do I pray for my enemy to succeed when my enemy want my downfall? Yet, you are giving me a reason to believe what is being written in this book. Whereby those who write this book is the people who don't want our success. Then you want me to continue reading it and absorbing the what I don't know what to call. So in this junction, actually I'm going now here. In this junction, I'm tearing this book because this book has nothing, has no meaning to me as a human being. This book has this book has nothing. It has nothing to help an Igbo man. To them that write this book, they are building empires. They are building everything for their 90th generation to come. Then they give us this book that if only where you can make it is when you die and go to heaven. That for you to enjoy life, you must die before you can enjoy life. But then they build empires. They build everything possible to their children, to their unborn children, so that they will not suffer any longer. They collect everything that belongs to African man, then give us Jesus. So you know Jesus will be so quiet. Yet, and when anything, that the same Jesus will be just yesterday or day before yesterday, the so-called your bishop, your archbishop, went for presidency house. What did they go to do? Did they go on your behalf? No, they do not go for your behalf. They go for their own beneficial. The people who you claim that they are the what? What did you people call them? Who speak for you? They are not speaking for you. They are speaking for themselves. Many of them have grandchildren. They go and keep them overseer. Then come here and be claiming Pope, Bishop, and the Archbishop. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We can no longer continue in this form. We will no longer continue in this form. Let everything that has breath that avoid evil live. But let everything that think evil, that do evil before humanity, let them perish. Once you slap me, or you even attempt mistake to slap me, my brother, Soludo na woye kwoku gi kpori ya. Itinye ego n'isi e, ikusigori ụmụ Igbo ka eji esu onye Igbo ibe ya imi. Ana m abịa for your own case. Imechanya ti emi amanto ọbụla ị chọrọ ha ti n'isi m. Ofu ugboro ka nwoke na nwoke adị anwụ ugboro abụọ. And ọ ka mma na m nwụrụ n'ụzọ eziokwu than na m nwụrụ n'ụzọ asị. Ị na-aghọta? Since you read the Bible and swear all of you in, what has the Bible done? Nothing. Bible can never fight for your justice. Bible can never give you a fairness. Nothing Bible can ever do for you as a human being, especially as an African man. If Soludo, meanwhile for Anambra, if Soludo have the indigenous intention in Anambra, he should be prepared to swear before all the whole deities in Anambra, before they can swear him in the second tenor. If not, the same way, because up to today, no evidence of whatsoever that na mother. No evidence as of today that na no jipasim madu were anything on him. Biko, actually can turn on this video, this live broadcast the other side. Now, actually can because enough is enough. We will no longer condone with evil. We will no longer condone anything evil in our home. This book is evil. This book is evil. Let me see how this book will not catch fire. Let me see how it will not catch fire. Honestly now, it can never catch fire. It can never catch fire. Let's witness. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Swearing in a governor with this book is a waste of time, because what they read in this book can never do you any good. Evil is evil. When you see evil, accept it. Jesus here one when you are a governor. Oh, dude, you failed the indigenous people of Anambra. Make a lot of us go and search for our daily bread in next year. If Anambra is working, if the government in it is working, providing work for each citizen, I think when you got the COVID, when you got the car, Igbo you don't come miracle. But because you as a governor have failed woefully, you have failed beyond our expectation. You failed us. As an indigenous of Anambra, you failed us. You beat us and you tell us not to cry. You are so partial. You are so partial as a governor. A governor of Anambra, you are so partial. You are wicked. Let me say it out. You are wicked. Only Chigozie Wangu. Chigozie Wangu Otarumeji Mba. Yeah. Why are you still keeping that young man? Because Nandoka, the bishop and the archbishop, they are telling you what to do because you want to go for second tenor. Man, again, they can't go again. As no one kucha machi ekube, na yeni no kurinara ni. Ina meheri na kasa content na wike ruoga aka. Ndi nwere ke magaka for this second tenor. Awuru mu oburu ha, ha na chi ha. Awuru mmadu buru ha, ha na chi ha. Mana yen na gwa gi. Why you said that tonight? Nanti anga bage mba, na ewepugwa ha. Mba nka aja na mba nka ndi ichie ga-abonite ndị akọnye challenge n'ụzọ ga-adịghị egwu. Na-agwa gị okwu nke Chineke. Okwu nke Chineke. Maka okwu Chineke bi ebi n'ime anyị. Okwu Chineke wụ agwụ n'ime ndụ nwoke, were agwụ n'ime ndụ nwaanyị. Anyị ọbụla onye metara n'ụwa a, o eji isi ya buru. Ihe eji ụka, na itere na ụka jebiri does not make you a good person. After all, in church today, evil people, ha gara na church gbaa tiketi Judea. Nke isoro ofu onye n'ime ha. Na iwu ezigbo mmadụ. Ndị na-akpọ gị ezigbo mmadụ, ndị na-ehele gị. Ha na-ehele gị because they don't have any option. Ha na-ehele gị because they are afraid of you. Ndị ọba, ndị Anambra, all the whole dibia nọ na Anambra. I'm very disappointed in you people. Let me say it now. All the whole people, let me turn this. All the whole people, all the whole DPS, is a wine, Ndana Anambra. I am so much disappointed. Egane kuna basarogi. Now that's what the a time shall come when it will come to your doorstep. By then, a hot at na. Na John Madu Chuo Bodonobodana Bagaragara. No boda has to a corner motaretato, on a kerato ni no ni moya ne tipias. Charles Soludo one baffo. In a menda number in your jaw. Ke Camberambera, Sigadia, when or bonding on no, Ukweromume. Kaipon Haji. Let's call the spade a spade. Kiss a treat to the indigenous people is unfair. It's unfair. And if care is not taken, Mboni na ina aba. Yeni na ineme ki were win the source of Anambra. Eno na Anambra ichugwa Anambra for 3 years plus. All this thing name of lately. Ki were megini, ki were daughter people back so that they will vote you back. Ajana is not sleeping. Ndi Ichie is not sleeping. Go up and down. Ke unye many pastor jigeku. Makana eptaragbe bono that nandi name preaching in public place. Go and look the attack they have attacked on you. Yet you were not able to bring one person. But ijene create agune chemba, agune chendiro. Ha biana wukonde in the name ordinary. In the name of na ajo hene mena Anambra. Ajo hene mena Anambra. Onyi jidere akwa ki jidere. How far? For more than a month you have been investigating this young man. What evidence did you get? Nothing. But because of your wickedness, because of the agenda of Christianity, I am meriji kajide this one amadi. Edi na nogo. The same issue mere edi na nogo. Okeka. Ona eso okwu. Mana asem na nke ikpeazụ a owu na aja na ebido megide gị enu ga-ebido megide gị mana ebe ọ ga-esi ga-ebido na this election. Go and mark it somewhere. This election ihe niile ahụ ikụziere ka esi esu imi ha ga-esu gbado gị imi. Ndị niile ahụ ikụziere ka esi esu imi ha suo nwanne ha imi ha suo nebo ha imi na ndị na-agwọ ọgwụ. Sofa na onye ahụ adịghị agwọ ọgwụ ọjọọ. Sofa na onye ahụ na omejọ nwoke megide nwoke. But do to mandatory to sanitize ordinary Igbo. Not in a good way, but in a bad way. Iwe binye we chitachi onye ukwu, chitachi onye nta. Ime nwoke ekwu okwu, me nwoke asụ. Asem na ani Igbo ga chitachi gị ya. Oto no so gi me no matter power wi nwere n'ụwa. Ọ ndị iche gbara gị nkịtị nye gị ya wụ power. Ha nwere ikikere inye gị ya, ha nwere ikike ịnara gị ya. Ana m agwa gị ya n'ụbọchị taa na tata bụ afọ na ihe nke a m kwuru n'ụbọchị taa na ọ ga-eme election a ọ ga-ahịa gị ahụ, ọ ga-adị gị ka ebe mamịrị ọkụkọ na anyị mamịrị nyere ọkụkọ. Ọ ihe ọ ga-adị gị ka ya. Ị ga-afụ ya n'anya, ị ga-afụ ya n'anya, ọ ga-eme gị n'anya. Ị ga-ahụ dis election, ọ ga-aghọghọ nọ nso eru aka. Anọ m n'ugwu a maka na ife elere nọ n'elu, ọ ya ka m ji wee chọrọ gị wee bịa n'ugwu a. N'ugwu a n'elu ọ dị gị ka ị nọ, ka ị ga-esi gị ada na ya marọ ya. Onye chọkwara ihe ọ bụla onye chọrọ ikpe ya ji ekpe, mana ewetara m ikpe a ebe a ka aja na ka o gboo ọgụ, maka na imegwonu ka onye nwenu ga-ama. Ihe eti nwata ihe si ya ebe n'akwa. Ajọ ihe na-eme na Anambra today, ndị ụka contributuru 80% of it, yet because you're a Christian, you feel that now you and the so-called bishop and archbishop, that you people can do anything you wish and go scot-free. Very soon, Ajana is bringing somebody in disguise of a Christian, but a core or traditional person that will say things right, that will sanitize Anambra in such a way it should be. I'm not in support of Igwa Jogo. Man, okay for a while, no. Anywhere here, you marande. Whether the way anywhere, anyhow, any DPS way chair. What Bogo not an Igbo? A one not an Igbo Radika. Ebo Makaji Concome Sydney. Ndi Bogo Metro than a waiting your ogo. Where any reason why you were man. Makanasa na gwe me yoji we wurago o make weri akenko o na ewutem na ndị dibia nọ na Anambra enwe onye maka esi ọgwụ a ọ na-awa agwọcha echi enwoke na ahụ ya baya na ahụ na enwe onye Anambra na-agwọ ya ọgwụ maka ihe ha specialize ịgwọ ọgwụ eji akpata ego ọgwụ eji agba mbọ ọ ya bụ ị na-agba mbọ na ahụ mbọ ị na-agba anya stieti Charles Nwamgbafọ obi adịrọ gị mma Mgbakwa nọ na-ereka Mgbakwa is nobody. Where are you? Chale Nwamgbafọ. Mgbakwa nọ na-agagharị one place to another. Where was you? But today, if you go na-akwa akarịchagwa ọgbọ ya, if you go na-akwa na ọ na-erisie gị ike, na ego akwa na-eri gbara gị gharị, i wee pụtazie gị na ndị ụka unu wee kpaa nkata wee bụ akwa. Mana ya dịwa asịkwa na egbuo nwoke na ọgụ na egbuo dike na ọgụ nọ ụbọchị ọgụ ama na ya achọwa dike ife niile anyị na-emekọlọcha a day will come o ya eme gị na ndụ ọma mme gị n'ọnwụ a day will come ihe ga-esi ike in a such a way that na church can never give you a solution. Nothing in this life God church has ever bring the solution. Then ị ga-achọwa people that matters, people who know mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ. Oh, yeah, drag it very difficult. By then, Kega Madatina, this life, name where two things in this life. If you know Gegi Keno, name where him Manaja and Igbo, Hane Kirigi. Money no Igbo. Mandi in a slogan, some money in a more bodaji where Jebube, Macanetri Hebubago, Macanetri, Ndu Dogachi, hey, we're not Pampa. Hey, what are this opportunity? When maybe any in a teacher, Monday was maybe, Monday was maybe. Only as Ajojia. Only as Ajojia, Unajana get you do, no, you people must be responsible for every sacred thing on destroyed. In on Chichi, in on Chichi, Nachi Bundi Nachi, Lenda was a land of Lani, Kane Papa, Ikoyan Anibu, Hagasaya, yet. The security outfit he created, none of them has been able to provide one Fulani person. Say, none of them. Manayuno Barambo Guinea, Ipokosu Mununu, Ipokosi, Inachito Munegi, no whoopia. Let Peter Obi, and what if you don't get post letter today? Can who Peter Obi? Peter Obi, a regular consciousness, yeah. Peter Obi has gone beyond return because of what? Because of power. Peter Obi is desperate of power. Take it or leave it. This video he get back. Oh, now this very video, you will shed tears. P2P, all the whole Awusa land, P2P na gasu dia. Ebo gare bi in the area with Munda Awusa nda alamajiri. Chai! Go over the megane, go over the chiochichi. Mana, one name woke umas in the cano, atachano, wajara eze. And when you make it no why in on email, when I was full animal ha project this contract here over is better this earth wiped away than to our man ha prugo boda hand dog over. Or possible. I can send I will upload this video. Ki werana yehu. Ki all 1 minute, please. My phone is showing low battery. Now, after all the whole thing, ke P2P na-achọ, ọ na-achọ ka enye presidency. O wee na-amagharị, osi from Alamajiri nke ọmakpu Alamajiri the other one. Osi from Zamfara, ọmakpu Kano na-epigharị. After pigharị here, o wee je committee himself and his people. Because not again, as a president of this country. The only way out is to fight, is to find a way to demarcate from this amalgamation. If not, there is no way out. You can never, read my lips, you can never rule as the president of this country. You can never. Now, back to my, because if I want to make finishing to burn this book, I'm not going here today. Innocent Ago, I should not preach hate. Which hate are you talking about? That is the problem. That is the mentality of a Christian. Which hate are you telling me not to preach? When I'm saying reality, when I saying things the way it is, you say that you call it hate. May the gods of the land have mercy on you. If at all, because whatever seed you sow, that you should reap. Let me go back to my now let me continue with the burning of this Bible. Like I said, this book, you see it, this book is not going on with me, because nothing good comes from this. Nothing good. This is a book of enslavement. This book will make you will not reason. When you reason, they are said you are possessed. This book will make you not to reason. When you manage to reason, they will tell you that you are possessed. that the demon has taken your portion. Why are you asking a question that is beyond humanity? Hereby we are on this earth. The Satan who give you the sense to ask questions according to your storybook. Your God create you finish. He not give you wisdom until he even tell you not to eat from the fruit of the wise until Satan appear in the picture. Yet, to appreciate that Satan who give you the idea to eat from the fruit of wisdom, you target evil. Then that which deprive you from eating the fruit of wisdom, you said is the Alpha and Omega. You must lose your sense of listening. Yeah, we don't hear that now. My generation. Yeah, we don't hear that my generation. We embark in this journey called the useless of Christianity. For Soludo to continue as a governor of Anambra, look at me, let me say it in the camera. For Soludo to prove to us that you mean well for all Anambra, you must swear. They must swear you in with all the whole shrine in Anambra. Yes. So that anywhere you mismanage our funds, the Aja and Igbo will strike you. Anywhere, whatever wrong you did with our money, the gods of the land will take you, and not just you. Because one thing I like the gods of our land, when you misbehave, it doesn't come for only you. They touch your pot. That pot that you keep beside, they touch it so that you will feel the pain. You will feel what other people are feeling. Nothing good can ever come from this book. Today is our 4th day, being Sunday, 16th of March 2025. I reject all the whole lies. All the whole lies they have told me before, and I accept them unknowingly. Today I reject them. I reject everything that related, that has a connection with this book. Because this book is not meant for us. This book is not for us, and we must desist from it. If you want to go far, if you want to achieve greatness, if you want to achieve the purpose of your life, you must avoid this. This is a distraction to an African man. This is a distraction to an African man. They use this to distract the development of an African man. And since then, African man has been running up and down, going round and round, searching for who he is. And up to today, they don't know who they are. Until the day you leave this is not meant for you. None of your ancestors is being mentioned in this. They tell you that you are the ancestor of Abraham. How does which connection do you have with Abraham? Which history do you have with Abraham that make Abraham your ancestors? None. And like I said, once you begin to ask all these questions, they will see you as evil. When you interrupt them with a deep question, they will see you as enemy of their so-called religion. Enough is enough. We are here to say enough is enough. We are here to say enough is enough. It is a very high time we stop swearing those criminals in with this book you call your Bible. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. See your Bible. Your Bible has gone arches. I hope you see it. See it. You have gone. Enough is enough. Let's cut the spade. For how long will we continue living in shame? For how long? Soludo has done us. He has done a lot of bad things to the indigenous people. The ordinary people. You come out and tell us that from today, no more public preaching. A lot of pastors came out and attacked you. Both people who lay us on you, both people who said that they will pray. They mandated their fellow pastor to pray so that you will have obstacle in your journey. You did nothing. You did nothing. So our dear sister who gathered little children to say that why will you do this kind of a thing? Now you order, you tag her hair with 5 million naira. No, see me. All na Igbo can one day nesu one day me. All na Igbo can one day neja another way go. Nesu one day, then one day. All why go to away. Some of them they free. Now my hold to slavery see we do. Happen to say no Igbo. Oh Igbo. Oh your ancestors. We do wherever rewu munne. Oh then that. Our than Igbo. There was no interruption in the way of their life. I didn't get on that world 2% na me. Because Mbo on a one me for job. You met a to get Bogi. You met a to get chopping over the forever and ever. Obodo have sanity, have dignity. But today, we are the Igbo dignity. It's nowhere to be found. Only governor. Oje na northern side eje ebi ego